up, bud. I almost knocked my socks off. This Atlanta heat is not playing, man. It is hot in Atlanta. It was like May. It was still cold in May, but I don't know what it just, man, this heat is overtaking us, man. Ooh, birthday party. No invite? Left out. Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to another video of my POV drives. You know something, skin. Oh my god! That's dangerous. It looks like they crashed. Welcome back to another POV drive. Little cruise. Y'all let me know if y'all like these, man. I'm probably gonna get in the highway for a little bit. Let me know if y'all like the introduction. If y'all like that, like, you know, what's that word called? Like, you with me, like, what's that? Like that in-person feeling, like y'all walking out the crib with me and like y'all with me, you feel me? It sound like a frog. Watch the brake. You see that? You see that? Should know about that. When you're going around sharp corners, when you're going around sharp corners, you don't want to just on the brake. You want to, you know, you want to tap it. You don't want to, because when you do it hard, like when you do it like that, that's basically just knocking your brakes up. You're gonna slide out, bud. Slide out, bud. That's why you just tap. Use your breathing room. Or I think, I don't know. I play Forza, so not Forza, Assetto Corsa. So dang, bro, light's still red and there's people pulling up right next to me.
Here's something that can ruin your day in an instant. That little light right there. Never ignore a check engine light, but did you know you can actually get a free check engine light?
Oh, I'm still camera shy. I don't like being at red lights when people are like just sitting there, bro. Like, I've had people just like, you know, I've had people like, don't look at me. guys for the GoPro, thinking I'd get better audio with the mic I got. I was gonna get the Apple ones because I mean they had better reviews and it was like just a couple bucks more than this one. But this is the only one they had available. The Apple one sold out. They sell like hotcakes, man. The Apple one's gonna be the same thing, but I guess the connection is better. I don't know. And then I tried using this for the mic, for my mic setup. I'm trying to arrange still. I'm still trying to fix my mic and the audio because the audio sucks. The GoPro audio sucks. So I'm still trying to fix that. That's in the works, but you know that thing sucks. I gotta return that, so probably go do that later on. Y'all stick with me though, cause the audio's gonna get better. I promise. Trust. Oh my God, is that Superman?